So we've got awards for innovation, achievement, excellence across the diverse community that is chemical engineering.
The winner of the IChemE Industry Project Award, sponsored by Sellafield Limited, is AstraZeneca.
I think it feels great to win an IChemE award. It kind of puts all the hard work that we put together into the project, and nice to be recognised. So, the SPP5 project, it's ultimately there to ensure that we can continue supplying medicines to patients that need it for prostate and breast cancer.
Yeah, so the technology moves on from where we were when we first started manufacturing Zoladex, the product that we make. So we have to move with the times and use the latest technologies. So this new plant that we've produced now is up to date, and we can go forward for the next 20 years.